We've had some problems with the 01 2nd gen. Let's see if they have fixed themselves. I'll explain more here in a minute. Let's just see if they are back. Holy shit. I totally just forgot the thing was in gear. Oh my gosh. Well, that's bad right there. I guess, you know, I really don't know how to drive a manual. Holy shit. I just ran right into the gate. Well, that's a real fail right there. Let's make sure we're in neutral this time. Damn. Whew. Be surprised, that scared the shit out of me. I need to go check the damage. I probably destroyed the damn gate. And I ran right into my other truck. The silver truck is right behind that. Oh my gosh. Ah! I'm so freaked out because this truck has had some real problems. As you can see, they don't seem to be coming back right now, but you see we have an engine light on, ABS, brake light is on as the parking brake is pulled over here, so I don't know. Let's get some AC back on. But damn, I wasn't expecting that. Crap. I need to go check the damage. Let's just see what I screwed up. I messed up big time there. I'm not used to driving a manual at all, so I completely forgot it was put in gear, because the reason why I haven't been uploading anything is I actually went on vacation for about 10 days. We drove up to Ohio, drove all the way back. My mom and dad actually bought something up there, which I have a video on soon, but yeah, so this truck's been disconnected. I disconnected the batteries and everything in it because, well, I took it to Cobblestone to have the interior cleaned, which actually looks really nice now. But when they did that, after it came back, they must have washed away that the dirt was holding it together, or they got something wet and every single light on the dash came on. So that's why I'm kind of sitting here waiting to see if it's gonna come on. Like, this wasn't working, nothing on the dash was working, every single light was on. So obviously they got something wet, so that's why when I left for vacation, I'm like, well, let's just disconnect the batteries and hopefully it'll dry out and reset itself. Well, obviously the engine light hasn't gone away, so that probably needs to be reset with the computer, but I don't know, I'm hoping the gauges and everything stay working. The gas gauge has never worked, by the way, since I had it, but the truck never had any lights on when I bought it, so something got wet, something shorted somewhere, and so yeah, so I hope that kind of fixed it. We'll see if the gauges go away or not. That's why I'm kind of just sitting here, but damn it, I can't believe I just did that. I'm so stupid. Wow, I should have checked if it's in freaking gear, because I'm used to just starting it up and I just let out the clutch because I didn't want to sit there and hold it. I don't know, I thought it was in neutral. I didn't even check. Damn. Well, let's take a quick look here and see how bad the gate is. This seems to be doing fine as of right now. We'll see when we get back in here. Oh crap. Whew. Yeah, that's not good. Nothing happened to the truck. I'm gonna get the key and open this up. I'm just gonna sit here and let it kind of run and see if the problem comes back. But what I wanted to do today, before I just smash in the gate like a complete idiot, now I'm gonna have to pay for that. That's gonna suck. I hope nothing else is really broken. We'll see what I can fix, but I'm gonna have to buy a new board. Probably two. I can see the other one there is cracked, and another one over there is cracked. But today I wanted to do was I was gonna pull this into the garage and we're gonna get these ugly towing mirrors off. I have some new ones. I actually went with the 4th gen style, so I wanted to see what those would look like, but I'll let you get this pulled in the garage and then let's assess the damage I just did to the gate. That's pretty damn stupid. Can't believe I just crashed the truck right off the bat. Damn manuals, I'm not used to them. I've never owned one. Ah, I'm used to an automatic. So here we go, assessing the damage. As you can see, the red truck hit right there. And the other side, this thing's pretty bent now, which sucks. That's not good. And coming over here, you can see this is the other spot where the truck hit. This board snapped, and I think that is because, look at this. This is where the hitch went in, right there. So, yeah, bent that piece of metal too. And as you can see, the stake holder there is no longer in its original spot. Other than that, no real damage to the truck. But yeah, there you go. That really sucked. Don't be stupid like me. Make sure you check and make sure it's in neutral before you just let off the clutch like an idiot like I did. Guess that's what having a manual is all about. I don't know. Let's go back inside there and let's get those towing mirrors on, something positive here, and then we'll take it for a little drive and run it through the car wash and see if it is see if those lights don't come back on. Before I get started with the install, I would like to thank you guys, all the new subscribers on the new 2nd gen for the channel, the $2,800 Cummins. Yes, I did get it for $2,800. I work at a dealership, so got it through there. It was a trade-in, so got it there. That's how I got it, $2,800. For all your new subscribers, I'm Colin. I have a 2019 Charger. It's this bad boy right here. Really nice car. An 05 Cummins, which is right here behind the gate. So if you guys like Cummins content, another Cummins diesel. I also do have a 2018 Razor that I haven't made any videos on yet, but I do plan on doing some soon on that. So I got a Polaris Razor XP1000 4-seater. If you guys like any of those vehicles, there's always gonna be videos coming soon on those. You know, when I ever do something to them or anything like that, I always keep you guys updated. But as of right now, this is the new vehicle on the channel. I got all the new mods for it, all the new things to kind of fix it up. So let's get started with the towing mirror install. Okay, getting started with the install, as you can see, I just took this screw out here, and then really it should all just pull away. There should be just some little like Christmas tree clips. All you gotta do is kind of pop them out. As you can see, there's one right up in there. This one's actually gone. I don't even think if I'll, there we go, this one just popped out. Yeah, there's it is. I mean, that's not a, I don't think that bolt's supposed to be there. That's not, it's supposed to be a stud like that. Huh, that's weird. Yeah, that's enough room to where I could, should be able to get up in there and take out this mirror. Dang, their wire goes down far. I haven't done one with power mirrors. I'll just go down to that little clip right there. Should be able to get to it pretty simply. So let's get this taken off. And there we go, that simple. Just undid those bolts. I should have did the wire first before I did the bolts, because I had to sit there and hold the mirror and like get the wire off. I got that off, and then there's a little plate that mounts here on the back as a support plate. But here is one of those ugly mirrors off, and let's get the other one off and get those new ones on. Those things should be pretty nice. If anyone wants some ugly looking Chevy mirrors, I'll put them on an offer up for like, what, 50 bucks or something? I don't know. These are, I mean, they're pretty good mirrors. I mean, a little dirty because it needs to be washed. Truck's real dirty, but pretty good mirrors, I guess, if you want a Ford style look. Towing mirror. Here we go, you guys. Here's the new towing mirrors. I got it, what is that? Yada Motor or something like that. I got them off Amazon. They're about $140. Here's model numbers or anything. I think that should do there. Or maybe that there SKU or something. But it's funny, they have a Ford truck on here, and that's what I'm replacing are these ugly looking Ford Chevy looking mirrors. But yeah, I already got them open and everything. I just need to put the little these little studs in there. So let's get them open, show you guys what the new mirrors look like. I actually really like these. And they were like super well packaged too. Like this is only like half the packaging that it had on it. Sorry, I only got one hand, but come in these like nice, really wrapped up, really feel nice, good quality too. So really good mirrors here. I think those will look great on the truck. But yeah, it's a 4th gen style, power heated, everything. So pretty awesome. Let's get this baby installed. Should be pretty nice. Definitely like it. Here's the difference. We got the old one right here. The old Ford Chevy style. Extends out like that. Doesn't look that great on this truck personally. And here we go. Here's the new one. Looks really good. It's 4th gen style. You can see, got the 2 mirrors, which is really nice. And obviously it's a Dodge, so it goes up like that. Looks pretty cool. Definitely looks nice. See, they're both extended, so they look like. Definitely like that side better. Definitely looks good. I like it. Now it's an actual Dodge. It's not no Chevy looking weird, round, ugly mirror looking thing. So definitely like these. Plus that side, like I like that mirror for this side. It's actually really nice because it's a big mirror, but on that side, it's kind of useless, to be honest. I really don't like it over there. A lot of blind spots. So really glad getting rid of those mirrors. These ones here, really nice. Definitely like them. So there's a comparison of the two, what they both look like on the truck. Definitely like the new 4th gen style. Makes it look real good, really nice on this truck. And yeah, for 140 bucks. I like it. Let's get the other one installed. Okay guys, all the lights came back, so we're out of luck here. As you can see, nothing is working. It says no bus down there, which isn't good. Getting a little CDC error up there is what it's saying, but airbag, ABS light is on, and engine light is on, and as you can see, no bus. So I don't know, I'm thinking something electrical. It has to be an electrical problem. I took it to Cobblestone and it didn't work, so I don't know. Let's shift her down to 4th. Look at that, knowing to downshift now a little bit there. But here, I'm gonna show you guys what the mirrors look like. Got them both on each side, but that does suck though. I mean, the truck's not working anymore, which none of the gauges are, at least. They worked like for probably 5 minutes, and then now they don't work at all. So yeah, so that kind of sucks. But let's just turn this thing around and show you guys what this truck looks like. Let's go give you guys a little look of what the 4th gen mirrors look like. I really do like them. I think they look good. Definitely 1,000 times better than what was on there, that's for sure. I think they look pretty nice. They look good. Here, let's see what they look like. Towing a ghost trailer, might as well see. Let's put them up. Check on this side. Let's see. There we go. Now we got that ghost trailer on, just hooked up. Oh yeah, see now that looks pretty good. I like that. That looks nice. Looks real good. Looks like a Dodge now. Doesn't look like a weird hybrid Chevy Ford looking thing. Actually looks good. I like that. Look at that angle. Ooh, looks so nice. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A little install there. Sucks I hit the gate. That was my bad. As for all you new subscribers on the channel, I hope you guys stick around. We'll have more stuff coming in the comments. Hopefully try to figure out what's going on with the gauge cluster. Definitely, I got the parts in. Fix this broken up dash here. Got a new bezel, a bunch of new stuff there. And I got some parts on order. Get this thing looking like brand new. So definitely gonna be fixing this truck up a little bit more in videos to come. Should be really nice. Once I get all that stuff done, obviously I need to figure out what's causing that problem. If you get anybody, you guys know what could be causing it to, for the gauge cluster to say no bus and it to stop working like that, and the airbag light and the airbag, ABS, and engine light all to come on. It really starts when the airbag light comes on. Once I see the airbag light, then everything just kind of shuts off. So I don't know what could be causing that, but obviously the truck looks better now. Really do like it. I need to get some window tint on the front two windows too, because this window tint on this side is pretty beat up. Looks like it's just like 35%, and the other side doesn't even have window tint. So gonna get a little bit of window tint on these front two windows, get that done. And yeah, this thing's looking pretty good. I mean, for a $2,800 truck, you're gonna get some problems. I mean, the truck is also, a lot of you guys didn't know, I don't know if a lot of you guys just didn't watch the whole video or anything, but this is a restored salvage title truck. This wasn't an accident. So I mean, I feel like I got a good deal on the truck for sure, but it also, you got to remember, it's got that value decrease because it is a restored salvage vehicle. But yeah, $2,800 Cummins. I mean, yeah, it has some problems, but runs, drives, got four-wheel drive, got decent tires, paint looks good. I mean, got a light bar, a big bumper on it. So definitely do like it. Let's get these mirrors back down like that. I don't know, it looks really good with this truck. I mean, I do like it. This truck definitely does look nice, but let's get these mirrors definitely flipped back down. Give you guys another little look here. This side's like really solid with these mirrors. I need to push that in just a little bit. There we go. These rear mirrors are really solid. This one is over here on this side. It does look a little, it's a little bit, has like a little bit of a shake to it, but otherwise, really good. I like them. Looks like an actual Dodge now. Makes the truck look real nice. I like the 4th gen style. This is my first time ever putting a 4th gen style on an older body style, so it definitely looks nice. I think it works good. I love these spotter mirrors. They're so much better than the little mirror. Like on the other trucks, you just get the little mirror up here. This whole spotter mirror that you can adjust is really nice and definitely a lot better than the older styles. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and next week we will have that video on the new RV to the channel. My mom and dad bought an RV. That's what the vacation I was talking about earlier. So have a video on that. We got a 2020 Striker trailer, so definitely give you guys a little review. Parents actually really want me to make a review on it because they didn't find anything when they were looking for the trailer, so they really want that. So that'll be next week, you guys, and then more 2nd gen content to come. And yeah, hopefully try to figure that out. If you guys, any of you guys know what could be causing that no bus, all the lights in the dash stop working, comment below. I'd love to hear it. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like the video if you enjoyed it all, enjoyed me crashing into fences like an idiot, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Before we go, might as well give you guys a little cold start on this old truck. Hasn't been started in about 3 weeks, so let's see how she sounds. Sounds good.